Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your Agoda account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in agoda.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Agoda website. Now click on the sign in button at the top, which will then take you into the login portal. Now if you created your account using your Google, your Facebook or Apple accounts, then you can log in without your password, which eliminates the need to reset it at all. Otherwise, just type in your email address that you used while signing up for your account within the email box and click on continue. You will then be asked to enter the OTP that has been sent to this email address. You can click on use password and you will be asked to enter your password. Now click on forgot password and you will now be asked to enter your email once again. Type in your email address once again and then click on the checkbox which says I'm not a robot. Then click on reset password and now you will be asked to check your inbox. So just check in within the email address that you just used and you will find a link sent to you from Agoda. Open up this email and click on reset my password within. And now you will be allowed to create a new password for your account on Agoda right away. Type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation. Finally, click on the verification checkbox and click on change password. You will now be told that your password has successfully been changed and you will be logged into your account once again as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your Agoda account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.